Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. In city creation, basically we are discussing one of the topic that is India account. So one of the person told that earthquake is going to happen after 2 days basically. So that actually the topic is. And when the earthquake is going to happen, basically everything basically get displayed. Basically. Human resource department, hotel department, restaurant departments, temple departments, governments, everybody gets activated basically. They start displaying this was a disorder, this was the problem, this was the basically unstable data, that was the unstable data, this was the unstable data, that was unstable. This person basically has not got the job in software industry, that person basically not got the job in industry, that person basically visited here, basically that person basically visited Bangalore, that person basically visited Madras, that person basically visited Chennai, that person basically visited Pune, that person basically visited Mumbai, and he basically not got job. So this everything basically comes into the unstable data. So this all basically comes into unstable data. Hello. Yeah, Sunil. Okay. Yeah, tell. Yeah, tell. Okay. Yeah, yeah, got it. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that is. Yeah, 22 years and 12 plus in project manager comes software delivery head and project coordinator. No, actually, what happened in 2023, basically in January month, I left the organization due to some layoff reason. And after that, basically, I'm just working as a freelancer. Sometime, basically, I'm getting some job. Sometime, basically, start a company, basically, I'm joining. But there, actually, I'm not getting the money, basically. So, money is the issue, basically. So, sometime, basically, I work as a freelancer for one or two projects, as a project manager. So, like that, basically, after that, basically, never work with the company, basically. But freelancing basically as a working basically. January 2023. I can join today also. If I select it today, then I can join today. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Last basically was 42 to 43,000 per month, and expectation is as per location. Because this is actually a normal company basically. it was a US based company, but they basically don't pay too much basically. This is actually normal salary for the developer. Actually, developers also get this much salary. But this was actually the company basically was good, so I basically joined the company. That's why basically. Actually, I will tell you one thing. When basically I was in Mumbai now basically, that time basically I was getting more than 40,000. But that was in Mumbai city because the location and standard of the living and the cost basically everything is high. So according to that basically they pay the money. But in Vadodara city basically the standard is there basically slowly basically the city is getting developed. So slowly basically the salary also will get a little bit. How in career? In career basically no, actually what happened when I shifted from Mumbai to here na basically due to that basically it was a metropolitan city, and from metro to normal city basically when you get jump basically that time basically they basically first see that basically why you left the Mumbai. That was some personal reason basically. So due to that basically I left the Mumbai and then basically I shifted to Vadodara city. Here basically the software company don't pay too much basically because here the cost of living everything is very low. So here basically big MNC companies are there basically. They pay basically. Yeah. No, that's okay. Actually, currently I am looking for job basically, so I can join for the normal salary also. Basically, there is no issue. Yeah, that was that. Basically. Okay, you can share me the GD whatever. Actually, I have taken lots of interviews also for project managers, software delivery heads. You might have read the resume now basically. So I have taken lots of interview, basically more than 200 plus interview I have taken for the project managers, even the software delivery heads basically I have taken the interview. So the concern basically is not like that basically. When basically I was not working basically, just within just 1 year basically, I have taken more than 200 interviews basically. Okay, sir, thank you. Okay, you can share the GD basically. Whatever. Yes, okay, thank you. So one of the person told that just now basically this was the conference call from the one of the HR department basically. This was actually live basically. This basically just now basically we discussed. That was actually live discussion basically. And one of the person told that you are not getting the job basically, right? That actually is the question basically. So few people told that basically there might be some problem, this, that basically. So here basically stable and unstable data actually we are discussing. In between basically I got the call basically. So here basically that also basically I recorded basically. Lots of people say that you are basically not getting call basically why basically. So one of the person told that stable and unstable data. Stable data means what basically? Software company basically like eClarex is there, Infosys is there, then the IBM is there. These all are the company basically who are into software industry. But these people basically few software company basically don't know that their softwares are used by the set of groups basically. But the people who are giving the business to that company basically they know that basically their software are basically getting used in human needs creation basically. In human needs creation. So one of the person told that after 2 days basically the earthquake is going to come. This 2 days basically I just taken as an example basically. Here basically I am not telling that basically this group will be responsible, that group will be responsible. That actually I am not telling. Here just taking as an example basically. That before earthquake basically, what are the things basically happened across the world basically. Here basically I am in India, so I am taking the example of Hindustan. Currently I am in India, so I am taking the example of India. If I would be in Singapore, then basically I would be taking the example of Singapore basically. So stable and unstable data. Stable data means what? Stable data. Unstable data means what? Unstable data. Unstable means earthquake. Stable data means stable. Straight times static basically. Buildings are not basically shaking basically. That is stable data. Buildings are shaking, that means it's unstable data basically. Here basically I have taken in few previous videos that basically that stable data or unstable data. 1,000 buildings are basically in Bangalore city. 1,000 buildings are basically in Bangalore city. They are controlled by Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation. They are controlling it basically. By chance basically after 2 days basically the earthquake came basically. And here basically if Microsoft is also basically Microsoft is also basically has his data also basically connected to the unstable data, so that 1,000 buildings is also going to shake basically. Why? Because his unstable data are also basically connected here. So here basically the concern is what actually? Here the thing is basically the entire India country is stable. How basically? How it is stable basically? That is the question basically. So one person told that there are many groups basically into this business. That India is stable basically. Stable means what? Earthquake is not happening. Unstable means what basically? Earthquake is going to happen. So stable data and unstable data. So one of the person told that stable and unstable data basically are created basically. So one person told that the news channel basically you can see that they basically displays the political stories basically that BJP, Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Samajwadi Party, and then the Aam Aadmi Party, then basically which party? So Samajwadi Party, then Basapa is also there. Congress is there. Communist Party is there basically. So this everything basically get displayed in front of the television screen basically. Because unstable data basically when earthquake is going to happen after 2 days basically the unstable data will be get displayed basically in front of the world basically. Even America basically sees that. In Ashtak basically assume that basically some political basically drama is ongoing. That drama basically America also sees basically. Because that is going to affect to software industry basically, entire directly basically. So one person told that political drama basically which is ongoing, that is the unstable data basically. They basically displace in front of in the form of the story basically. That is in Hindi basically it is called as kahani. So one of the person told that the Bollywood group, the news, the channel group basically has reached up to this level that basically they can display the exact story basically why the earthquake is basically happening. That is not possible basically. Because in this world basically many few people basically might be knowing. For example, Jesus Christ came into India basically. Who is knowing basically? Guru Nanak ji came into the India basically. Who knows this basically? So there are few hundred people basically in this world who knows that basically he is Jesus Christ. That person that he is going basically is a Guru Nanak ji. Many hundred only people basically know. They came into India. Due to that basically more than 1 crore, more than I think 100 crore people basically, sorry, in India basically how many crore died basically, that I don't know, but people died basically. But here basically you can't blame that basically God came into India basically and due to that the people basically died. Their people basically was not ready basically. The Christian community basically was not ready. The Christian community says that basically we trusted on Indian government basically, that is the BJP government and Congress group basically. But they actually cheated us basically. They basically will tell like that basically. Congress will say that basically we trusted on BJP basically because we created BJP. BJP will say that basically we trusted on Aam Aadmi Party also basically. Like this basically they will also blame like this. So each and every people basically blames each other. So here what is the thing? Stable data, unstable data. Unstable data is stable data basically, that is the good thing basically. That displays in front of the world, that is basically okay. But unstable data basically keeps on displaying basically. Keeps on displaying, keeps on displaying, keeps on displaying in the screen. By chance basically if that unstable data can be solved basically. By chance basically the unstable data can be solved. That basically comes into the problem solution basically. So one person told that this is stable data, that is unstable data. That is stable data, that is unstable data basically. So one person told that yes, here basically this is stable data and this is unstable data basically. This is stable data, this is unstable data. So that is the thing. So one person told that, Sunil, can you please detail display basically what is stable data and what is unstable data? Because whatever things basically you display in, for example, the number one channel is basically Aaj Tak, lots of people say that the Republic basically, Anurag Goswami basically. He says that basically we are number one basically. Aaj Tak says that basically we are number one. But both basically can display the unstable data in perfect story basically. That due to this story basically, the earthquake basically is going to happen after 2 days basically. That basically the news channel can display. Is that possible basically? So one of the person told that need to check basically whether they can display or not basically. So next video basically we are going to see that what actually the stable data is and what actually the unstable data is. Due to that unstable data basically the earthquake is going to happen after 2 days. Here basically I just taken as an example basically because whenever basically big earthquake happens basically in this India basically, I'm taking basically I am in India, so I'm taking the example of India. If I would be in Singapore, then basically I would be taking an example Singapore. So one of the person told, can you please display basically that this is stable data and this is unstable data? Then basically Sunila and I told that we will discuss basically in next video what actually the stable data is, what actually the unstable data is.